Hi, my name is Paul and I'm a firefighter, and what I'm going to do today is to show you some of the kit that we wear when we go into a fire. As you can see, I've got my normal fire kit on, and as you've noticed, I've got something special here. It's called a breathing apparatus. It means I can go into buildings that are full of smoke and I can still breathe normally. On my back, I've got a cylinder full of air, and I've got a special mask which protects me from all of the smoke. I'm going to show you now how to put it all on, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like in a room full of smoke. Can you see how smoky it is? That's why I have to have this mask on, so I can breathe. And also, did you see the way I wave my hands around? That's because I feel my way around. If you ever find yourself in a smoke-filled room, drop to the floor, because that's where you'll find some clean air. Remember, if you ever see smoke or fire in your home, remember, get out, stay out, and call 999.